Hello and welcome to Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. This is Priyanka. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತನತ್ತ. So today, that is on 5th January 2021, in official KPSC website, they have released the key answers for PWD AE as well as JE Technical and General Studies. So PWD JE exam happened on 13th December 2021 and PWD AE exam happened on 14th December 2021. So key answers ನೀವು already check ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು because some of the students are calling me and they are sharing the marks what they are expecting. Okay, so ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ most of you might have already seen. It's my responsibility to share the updates whatever happens, which I always tell in my videos also. So if you haven't checked, do visit KPSC website and check how many marks you are getting. So now when you have got the key answers, obviously the next step what you will ask me is, ma'am, what is the cutoff we can expect? So again I will say tell you that this is very difficult to predict, so we have to wait for the official cutoff also, that is for the official results. And if you find any discrepancies in the key answers, so you can challenge those answers. So in WRD HK, so me along with lot of students and all, we have made a proper format, proper documentation, because there were lot of questions to be challenged. So I shared that PDF and all with the students, which helped the students to challenge the questions for the KPSC. So same way, if you have doubts for any of the key answers, so you need to share what key answers you are getting and what is the source for that particular answer. And again, the source cannot be from the internet or something like that. They should be from a proper book. So with this, what I feel is like the process, whatever is happening in the KPSC, so it is little fast. Okay, 2 years ನಂತರ ನಾವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ PWD ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ, ಬಟ್ ಈಗೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, just within 20-25 days you have got the key answers. So maybe if there is any revision, again the revised key answers you will get very shortly mostly, and again after that you will get the results as well. And you should be already aware that in KPSC they are updating the status of RDPR and other recruitments also, and the vacancies or the requirements what they are having in the individual department. So maybe those notifications might also happen very soon. So again I want to say that if you want to make your preparation very systematically, very easy and very result oriented, you seriously think of joining the course what Sandpoint is providing to you. The reason why I keep telling this again and again is when the PWD exam dates got announced, they gave only 1 month in the beginning. So lot of students joined our PWD course, and that time whatever the 1 month was given, so that was very much insufficient. So ultimately when you want to decide to go for the classes or something like that, take the decision as early as possible, because it is for your future, it is for your benefit. So if you want to join the courses, then contact the numbers which are mentioned below, that is 9916085858 and 8447141748. So when you join the course, I personally make the study schedule over Google Meet with you, like which subject you have to pick, how you have to give the test series, how you have to refer the PDFs what we are giving, how you have to make your own running notes, and when you need to complete the individual subjects. So if you study very systematically, very strategically, I can 100% assure you that you will definitely come with the flying results. So let's see, like students, whoever have joined the PWD course of Sandpoint, I want you guys to share your marks in the comment section, or you can share those marks with me over WhatsApp, because this course was completely online and I seriously don't have the list of the students who have joined the course, because thousands together of you had joined the course. So saying this, keep visiting official KPSC website for all the updates whichever happens with respect to any of the notifications or any of the recruitments. All the best.